Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi and today we are going to start Unit 6. In this unit, 2 chapters are there. Out of these 2 chapters, the first one is poem. Okay, so before starting our today's poem, tell me the means of transport. Yes, I know you all have studied the means of transport in your science, or you can say EVS book, isn't it? So means of transport are, yes, there are so many means of transport, isn't it? So what are they? Cars, bicycles. Okay, to cover short distances we use bicycles. Okay, and to cover the long distances, which vehicles we use? We use aeroplane, trains, cars, isn't it? There are so many means of transports. Okay, so to cover the short distances we use bicycles, okay, cycles, scooters, scooties, okay, but to cover the long distances we use trains, aeroplanes, okay. Sometimes we cover long distances by car also, but usually we choose trains and aeroplanes to cover the long distances. Okay, so have you ever traveled on a train? Yes, I have traveled on a train. Last time before the lockdown I have traveled from Haldwani to New Delhi. Let me know, when did you travel on a train? Trains, T-R-A-I-N-S, trains. So children, kindly open your book, page number 53. Okay, first I read, first I recite, then you will repeat. So our today's poem title is Trains. Okay, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Yes, repeat with me. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Now you will repeat after me. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains.
Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains.
Carrying passengers, carrying mails. Yes, recite. Carrying passengers, carrying mails, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Yes, repeat. Carrying passengers, carrying mails, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Now, next stanza. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Now again repeat with me. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Now over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, ha ha, here come the trains. Now we all will recite together. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Carrying passengers, carrying mails, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, ha ha, here come the trains. It is very interesting poem. Okay, now let us discuss what is given in the poem. So the first stanza is over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. So mountains, the meaning of mountain is very high hills. Hills means पहाड़. Okay, बहुत ऊंचे जो पहाड़ होते हैं उन्हें हम माउंटेन्स बोलते हैं. इन अदर वे वी कैन से वेरी हाई हिल्स. ओके, ओवर मीन्स ऊपर से. ओवर द माउंटेन्स, ओवर द प्लेन्स. प्लेन्स मीन्स फ्लैट लैंड्स. लाइक हल्द्वानी इज ऑल्सो अ प्लेन एरिया. ओके, फ्लैट लैंड्स आर देयर. सो ओवर द रिवर्स, here come the trains. Oh, what the poet is saying? Poet is saying that trains travel over the mountains. Okay, over the very high hills, over the plains. Plains like Haldwani. Okay, where there is flat land. Over the rivers also. Okay, over the rivers through the bridge. Okay, trains travel over the rivers through the bridge. Okay, here come the trains. तो trains हमारे पास कैसे आती हैं? माउंटेन्स में ट्रेवल करके आती हैं. ठीक है, माउंटेन्स में भी ट्रेवल करती हैं. और किसके ऊपर से आती हैं? माउंटेन्स के ऊपर से आती हैं. Flatlands means on the top of flatlands trains travel. Okay, and trains travel above the rivers also. Okay, through the bridge. So ऐसे हमारे पास ट्रेन्स आती हैं. कैरिंग पैसेंजर्स, कैरिंग मीन्स पैसेंजर्स मीन्स ट्रेवलर्स, पीपल हु ट्रेवल इन अ ट्रेन, बस और एनी अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके, सो पैसेंजर्स, पैसेंजर्स मीन्स travelers, those who travel in different means of transport. So here we are talking about one of the means of transport, that is train. Okay, so क्या किसको कैरी करके लेके आती है ट्रेन? ट्रेन्स कैरी पैसेंजर्स. पैसेंजर्स मीन्स पीपल हु ट्रेवल ऑन दैट. ओके, एंड द ट्रेन्स टेक देम फ्रॉम वन प्लेस एंड drop them to the another place where they wish to go. Okay, who? People carrying mails. Mails means letters and parcels. Okay, so trains carry letters and parcels also, bringing their precious loads and without fail. Precious means valuable. Okay, very important. Precious means very important. Okay, loads, बहुत important जो चीजें होती हैं वो भी ट्रेन्स लेकर आती हैं. एंड वो ट्रेन्स जो हैं बिना किसी देरी के, बिना किसी फेलियर के क्या करती हैं? पैसेंजर्स, लेटर्स एंड पार्सल्स एंड प्रीशियस लोड्स, वैल्यूएबल लोड्स को फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर पहुंचाती हैं. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Okay, so thousands of freight cars. So what is the meaning of freight cars? Freight cars are the trains which carry goods, not the passengers. Okay, goods means सामान लेकर आती हैं. ऐसी कार हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं मालगाड़ी. Okay, the trains which carry goods, not the passengers. Okay, so thousands of freight cars all rushing on, वो इधर से उधर जाती हैं through day and darkness, whether it is a day or it is dark. Okay, they keep on going from one place to another. Okay, through dusk and dawn. Dawn means early morning. Okay, when the first rays of the sun come on the earth. Okay, that time is dawn. Okay, and dusk means when the sun sets. Okay, and or we can say when it is growing dark. Okay, the time when sun sets, so it is written dusk. Okay, the time when sun sets and night begins. So dusk means the time when the sun sets and night begins. Okay, so no matter it is a day or night, dusk or dawn, The trains keep on going from one place to another. Okay, the passengers train carry passengers. The freight cars carry loads, goods. Okay, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers. Here come the train. Okay, here come the trains. So trains कहाँ पर travel करके आती हैं? Above the mountains. Okay, on the top of the flatlands and over the rivers through the bridge. Okay, so yes, it is very interesting poem. Okay, we have learned so many things in this poem, that there are many kinds of trains. Okay, out of them we have today learned about passenger train and freight cars. Okay, dear kids, this is the time to learn and write the new words. Okay, so kindly open your notebooks and write with me. New words. New words. The first new word is mountains. The first new word is mountains. The spelling of mountains is mountains. So beta, please write it in your notebook. Okay, very nicely in good handwriting. So spelling of mountain is M-O-U-N, mount, T-A-I-N-S, tains, mountains. I repeat, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. I hope you all have written. Now the second new word is passengers. The spelling of passengers is P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S, passengers. Okay, P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S, passengers. P-A-S-S, repeat after me, P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S, passengers. The next is rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Very good. I hope you all are doing your work with me. Next is precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S, precious. Word is mail. M-A-I-L, mail. The next word is mail. Spelling is M-A-I-L, mail. Repeat after me, M-A-I-L, mail. Sixth is plains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. Okay. Next is dusk. D-U-S-K, dusk. D-U-S-K, dusk. D-U-S-K, dusk. And the next is dawn. D-A-W-N, dawn. Okay. So the first word is mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Then the next word is passengers. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S, passengers. The next word is rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. And the next word is precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S, precious. Okay. Next is mail. M-A-I-L, mail. The next is plains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. Next is dusk. D-U-S-K, dusk. And the last is dawn. D-A-W-N, Dawn. Dear kids, now let us do the word meanings of this chapter. Word meanings. The first word meaning is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Its meaning is very high hills. Very high hills. H-I-L-L-S. Hills. Mountains. Okay, mountains means very high hills. The next word is plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Its meaning is flat lands. F-L-A-T. Flat. L-A-N-D-S. Lands. So the meaning of plains is flat lands. The next word is passengers. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Passengers. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Passengers. Passengers means people traveling. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G. People traveling in a bus, car, train, etc. Okay, people traveling in a bus, car, train, etc. The next word is freight cars. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Freight cars. C-A-R-S. Cars. So freight cars, its meaning is trains that carry goods. ऐसी ट्रेन्स जो सामान लेकर जाती है, ना कि पैसेंजर्स, नॉट द पैसेंजर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज dawn. D-A-W-N. dawn. Okay, its meaning is early morning. Its meaning is early morning. Next is dusk. D-U-S-K. dusk. It means the time when sun sets and night begins. Okay, so dusk means the time when sun sets and night begins. Let us revise again. The first word is mountains. Its meaning is very high hills. The next word is plains. Its meaning is flat lands. The next is passengers. Its meaning is people traveling in a bus, car, train, etc. Next is freight cars. Its meaning is trains that carry goods, not the passengers. Okay, dawn, early morning. Dawn, early morning. Dusk, the time when sun sets and night begins. We can also say early evening. Okay, so these are the 6 hard words, okay, with their meanings. So now what you will do, you will pause the video if you have not written the answers. Okay, if you have not written the word meanings, then please pause the video and complete your work in a very good handwriting, and you will read the poem and learn also. Okay, kindly learn this poem properly. Okay, And the hard words you will write twice in your notebooks. Okay, how many times you have to write the hard words now? Twice. Okay, thank you. I hope you all have understood. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.